Hello guys, welcome to Tech by HAS, and today we're gonna discuss about cryptocurrencies. Money is the most important thing to us today. We cannot live without money. Everything requires money from buying a burger to a Bugatti. But this concept is not new. Since time immemorial, we have used different concepts to exchange what we want. From the Stone Age, there came a system known as the barter system. Here, you can get what you want, but you have to give something in return. Not some currency, but a commodity, like an apple for a mango. Now, let's apply the system today and see if it works. Let's take an example. I have a bicycle and I want this red car. Now, I only have one bicycle. How the hell will I get this car? This system was inefficient as things have different values. You literally can't exchange everything like that. Thus came the new system, the new era. Today we use printed money and minted coins, which every country's central bank issues. So barter system was the past and paper currency is the present. What next? Surely there will be a future. Printed money just can't be the end. Here, cryptocurrencies and blockchain comes into the play. Satoshi Nakamoto, a single programmer or a group of programmers in 2008 created a revolutionary technology called blockchain. He made it to record the transactions of a digital currency and he named it Bitcoin. And thus the king of cryptos was born. This was the start of the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, there are above 5,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, which have different utilities and function. Some focus on privacy, while others on a faster speed. But what exactly is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are the digital assets or a virtual money. They work on the top of a blockchain, which is just a distributed database for recording the transactions of the money. The transactions here are secured by a very strong encryption technique called the cryptography. So, these currencies got the name cryptocurrencies. What makes this tech so revolutionary? There is no bank governing these currencies, and they can be transferred by a direct peer to peer network. So you have full control over your money. The old banking system required more fees and time for completing bank transactions, but because of cryptos, the price of transactions has reduced, and you can transfer money directly to any wallet instantly. The blockchain network is secured by cryptography, which is a strong technique. So your money is safe and also you cannot lose it or get robbed off. Also, it is a digital money, so you don't have to carry it in your pocket. Everything is digitalized here. No banks are there, so who creates them? Cryptos are a digital token. It depends on that particular blockchain how many coins will be in circulation. For example, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million. No more coins will be created after that. In Bitcoin, the mechanism which is used to generate new tokens is known as proof of work. Here, programmers called miners use their computing power to verify the transactions. In this way, a new block is added to the blockchain and new bitcoins are created, which are then awarded to the miners. With time, things have changed. Now, some cryptos also have a proof of stake mechanism where you have to stake or hold a certain amount of coins with you, and the transactions will be verified against it. In turn, you will receive some additional coins as rewards. Some of its examples are ADA and Tezos. Some companies also do an ICO, initial coin offerings, at the time of launch of their project, where they sell off a portion of total supply of the coins. Some coins have a limited supply, whereas others are quite abundant. Let's take an example. Here, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million, and another cryptocurrency called Ethereum has a supply of approximately 100 million. You must be thinking about where can I buy them? Cryptocurrencies can be purchased from exchanges just like stock trading. We can purchase coins from our fiat money and can store it in wallets. Some of the famous exchanges are Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and BitMEX. You can trade as well on these platforms. Cryptos can also be used as a source of investment. But be careful as they are very volatile in nature. Wallets are just some softwares where you can store your cryptos like banks. They provide you a public key which you can think of it like your bank account number. You can give this to people to receive cryptos, and there is a private key which is like your PIN or password. It is used for transactions and don't share it with anyone unless you want to lose money. There are different types of wallets, like for mobiles, for desktop, and also there are hardware wallets which store your keys offline so nobody can hack them. These are the most secure. Others are prone to hacking attacks. You can also store cryptos on the exchange itself. It is the most convenient but also risky. Now let's see some examples. Here you can see Ledger Nano S. It is the hardware wallet which I was talking about. It stores your keys offline, and as these keys are stored offline, there is no risk of your keys getting stolen. The next one is the Atomic Wallet. It is a desktop wallet and it is also quite secure. And the next one is Trust Wallet. It works for iOS and Android phones. You can buy many things from cryptos. This industry is growing rapidly, and many businesses and websites are accepting payment in cryptos now. You can even pay for your degree in cryptos in some countries. For example, like online travel sites like Expedia and cheapware.com, both are accepting bitcoins now. Shopify and Square are also accepting payment in cryptos now. Also, WordPress.com, Newegg.com, and these are also allowing crypto buying. And the famous gaming service Steam is also doing that. So, this is just the starting. This technology is being accepted widely in the world. Now, this is quite an interesting innovation in some countries like USA, Norway. They have started Bitcoin ATMs where you can buy Bitcoin and also convert your existing Bitcoin into cash money and take it out. You require a Bitcoin card for this. Before ending this video, let's discuss the biggest question. What is the difference between a blockchain and cryptocurrencies? Are they the same? A big note of this. Cryptocurrency is just an application of blockchain. Blockchain is much more than this. You can take the example of your phone, where your phone is the blockchain and the cryptocurrency is just an app installed on it. But your phone is much more than this. So is the blockchain. Here you can see like your Android phone is the blockchain and cryptocurrency is just an application like Facebook or Twitter installed on top of it. That's it. Thank you guys. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. See you later.